नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण सुरू करणार आहोत चॅप्टर नंबर 2 सायमल्टेनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r. This equation is called as simultaneous differential equation. Method of solution. First method, rule first, method of combinations. We can solve this simultaneous differential equation by method of some combinations. First example show that dx upon zy is equal to dy upon zx is equal to dz upon xy. We have to solve this so given equation is dx upon zy is equal to dy upon zx is equal to dz upon xy. Taking first two ratio, पहिले दोन रेशो घ्या. dx upon zy is equal to dz upon zx. सो वी कॅन कॅन्सल झेड फ्रॉम बोथ साईड. दोघं बाजूला झेडने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर पहिल्या रेशोमध्ये राहील डी एक्स अपॉन वाय आणि दुसऱ्या रेशोमध्ये राहील डी वाय अपॉन एक्स. आणि क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर आपल्याला मिळेल एक्स इंटू डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू वाय इंटू डी वाय. सो दिस इज अ व्हेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. सो we can take the directly integration of x dx, integration of y dy. So x dx integration x square, y dy integration y square plus c1 is a integrating constant. So x square minus y square हे एका बाजूला आणला तर x square minus y square minus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first solution. And then now take the first and third ratio, that is the dx upon zy is equal to dz upon xy. So we can cancel here y from both sides. So we get dx upon z is equal to dz upon x. So again cross multiplying we get x dx is equal to z dz. So integrating we get x square is equal to z square plus c2. So x square minus z square minus c2. This is the second solution. So required solution is combination of both solutions, that is x square minus y square minus c1 into x square minus z square minus c2 is equal to 0. This is the solution, required solution. Now example second, dx upon tan x is equal to dy upon tan y and dz upon tan z. Now here there are variable separable form throughout. So take any two ratios first. First take first two ratio dx upon tan x is equal to dy upon tan y. So this is a variable separable form. Directly take the integration. Integration is a log of sin x is equal to log of sin y is plus log c1. So log sin x is equal to log c1 into sin y. So sin x is taking antilog from both sides. So sin x is equal to c1 sin y. So sin x upon sin y minus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first solution. Similarly take the another two ratio. You may take any two ratios. So we can take dx upon tan x is equal to dz upon tan z, and solving this we get sin x upon sin z minus c2 is equal to 0. Now combining these two solutions we get the required solution. Now next third example, solve dx upon y square is equal to dy upon x square upon dz upon x square y square z square. So first we can take first two ratios. These are so simple. So dx upon y square is equal to dy upon x square. So cross multiplying we get x square dx is equal to y square dy. So this is variable separable form. So we can integrate throughout. So integration x square dx is equal to integration y square dy plus integrating constant c1. So we get x cube by 3 is equal to y cube by 3 plus c1. So we can take a throughout multiplying by 3, x cube minus y cube is equal to 3c1. So x cube minus y cube minus 3c1 is equal to 0. This is the first solution. Now take the another two ratios. dx upon y square is equal to dz upon x square plus y square x square y square z square. So dx is equal to, we can cancel out y square throughout. So dx is equal to dz upon x square upon z square. So we get by cross multiplying by x square ने throughout multiply केलं तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला x square dx is equal to dz upon z square, which is variable separable form. Taking the integration x cube by 3, this is the integration of x square dx, and dz upon z square integration minus 1 upon z plus c2. So this is x cube by 3 plus 1 upon z minus c2 is equal to 0. This is another solution which and combining both solutions we get the required solution of given equation. Similarly, we can solve the another examples. These are some now part B. Given simultaneous differential equation of first order is dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r. When one variable is absent from one equation of set 1, then we can derive the solution of simple way, assuming for the sake of definitions, suppose dx upon p is equal to dy upon z, where z is absent here. Hence we can write the equation as dx upon dy is equal to p upon q, so which is f of xy. Say in solving the equation 3 by usual method, we can solve the given equation and find out the solution. So this is an example solve dx upon x plus z is equal to dy upon y is equal to dz upon z plus y square. We have to solve this equation. So first we consider two ratios, that is dy upon y is equal to dz upon z plus y square. Here x term of x is absent. x ची टर्म absent असल्यामुळे आपण हे दोघं consider केले dy upon y is equal to dz upon z plus y square. So it can be written as dz upon dy is equal to z plus y square upon y. So this is can be written as z upon y plus y. So this is dz upon y minus z upon y is equal to y. So 1 upon y dz upon y minus z upon y square is equal to 1. So this implies that y dz upon y minus z upon y square is equal to 1. But this is a complete derivative of z upon y, dy of z upon y is equal to 1. So integrating through with respect to y, we get z upon y is equal to y plus c1. So z is equal to y square plus c1y. So this is the first solution. Now consider the another ratio dx upon x plus z is equal to dy upon y. So dx upon x plus y square plus put the value of z. Z is y square plus c1y. So x plus y square plus c1y is equal to dy upon y. Now here dx upon y is equal to x plus y square plus c1y upon y. So this is equal to x upon y plus c1. So dx upon dy is equal to dx upon dy minus x upon y is equal to y plus c1, which is linear differential equation of the type dx upon y plus px is equal to q. And the solution of linear differential equation can be solved by taking integrating factor e raised to integration p dy. P is here minus 1 upon y, so e raised to integration minus 1 upon y is e raised to minus y. So e raised to log of 1 upon y, that is e and log cancel, so we get 1 upon y. So any integration is x into integrating factor, integration of integrating factor into q dy plus integrating constant c2. So x into integrating factor, that is 1 upon y, integration of 1 upon y into q. Q is our y plus c1 dy plus c2, that is this is 1 plus c1 upon y dy plus c2. So integration of 1 is y and integration of 1 upon y is log y plus y yc2. So this is another solution, and combining these two solutions we get the general solution of given equation. Similarly, we can solve the another examples by similar methods. In the next lecture, we can see the method of multipliers.